Hello dear Leo, welcome back to my channel and this is your April month's second week's exclusive love reading plus career reading combined. If you're looking for a monthly reading, then that's already uploaded on my channel. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. Let's see how your second week is treating you. Let's begin with your love life. You have got the Seven of Stars and the Justice card. You could be dealing with an Aquarius or Capricorn Sun Moon rising, or you could have an Aquarius or Capricorn Sun Moon rising in your own birth chart. Now, I do see new beginnings and proposals coming your way. I do see some sort of karmic cycle also ending for you, or a new karmic cycle beginning for you, which means any new person that is approaching you in the second week is your probably your karmic partner, which means you have a lot to learn from them and they're here to teach you as well, which means you could be teaching them or they could be teaching you, right? So this could be a card of balance, which means some sort of balance is being restored in your personal life. This new relationship is going to balance your emotions as well. This person could be supporting you, not just monetary, but emotionally as well. I also see that some of you could be dealing with the court cases in the second week, and you might feel like, I don't know how the order is going to be. Probably it will be in your favor, and if you think no, this is too high amount that I have to pay, or this is not exactly what I asked for, it is still happening in your favor, which means the Justice card is always going for balance, the karma, the remaining balance, that unfinished business that you both had from previous lifetimes. So if this is a situation which you do not understand, please understand that Justice card means a karmic partner, a karmic situation. So a karmic situation will be coming to an end. Whatever is happening in this week will be a sort of a payback to you of whatever happened in the previous lifetimes, if not this lifetime. So be prepared for big changes, new beginnings, and a lot of balance restoring in your life. I also see that if someone has hurt you in the past, done bad to you in your personal relationships, probably they will get their karma as well as you will get your reward, provided you've done the right thing, or the rules can be reversed as well. If we talk about your career, you've got the Four of Spades and the Emperor card. I do see that you are in a very charitable mood because you could have got a lot of money and bonus and promotions as well. So expect a lot of kindness from your side, where you want to gift people, where you want to take your family out as well, right? Or you just want to go and donate something in the temple or to needy or to animals. I do see you in that kind of energy because I do see promotions coming your way. I do see you in a position where you have authority, where you have power, where people listen to you, right? So expect yourself to be in that position in the second week and, giving orders to people. If you are an employer, you could have a lot of people working under you, for you. So yes, expect yourself to be financially stable as well. If you had any money problems, this job, this new promotion, or this new business or time, or even an old business, this time second week onwards, you will see that your financial stability is recovering. Yes, it is coming back into your life. A sort of balance, a financial balance is also maintaining. So both cards, if I see, are of balance. So a lot of balance is being restored, a lot of universal balance and a balance in your life as well, emotional, financial, everything. So it is going to be a very good week. It can be challenging as well, depending upon how your karma is. What did you do? If you did your best, you never did anything wrong, be prepared to get the rewards, the financial reward, the partner who will support you emotionally. All that is coming your way in the second week. So if you guys like this reading, if you resonated with it, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get the notifications and you can get your predictions before time. And if you would like to book any personal reading or rituals, please know that I take readings as well. I do rituals as well. I also have audio and video sessions available. So please email me at asthasharma 842@gmail.com or Instagram DM me at the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please follow me on Instagram as well, as I post all the details, new launches, discounted services, and the kind of rituals that you can do, when to do, what to do over there. There are rituals that I perform on your behalf, and there are simple rituals that you can perform as well. Not complicated, not expensive rituals, but very cheap ones. So please contact me, book yours right now. All these things are mentioned in my description box and my bio as well. Take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.